Everybody, hope everyone's well, having a fantastic day today. Today I'm going to cook a beef burger in a frying pan, but with it I'm going to have some bacon with the beef burger. I've also just cut some onion and popped it in a bowl, put some water in it, and there it is, just been in the microwave for a minute. I'm going to put some cheese in it as well, if I'd bothered to get that out of the fridge, but this occasion I didn't. Also going to have an egg with it, so an egg bacon burger. Still using up some cheese, and I'm going to have a roll with it. Nice and simple. In some Kerrygold, because that's what I seem to do. Right, let's get the pan on, let's get cooking. So, into the pan, turn it on, turn it down. Bit of butter. Once that's done that, I'll get the bacon in there. So just melting a knob of butter. There we go, lovely. Looking good. So I'm only going to use one burger, I'm just going to smash it down. What I might do actually is cut it in half, make it into a bit of a ball, and then flatten it, and then get two burgers out of one burger, because they're quite thick burgers. As it's Father's Day tomorrow, I've got to do a barbecue tomorrow. So, right, let's get a bit of bacon in there. Nice bacon, isn't it? Yeah, that looks good. Let's see if I can find a pair of gloves or something. Turn it down a bit. Bit of a flip. Bit of flavour in there. Just going to move that around a little bit. Let's see if I can get you over there so you can see what I'm doing. Right, so hopefully if I can pick it up, there's a burger. Just going to cut it in half, something like that. That's what that's doing over there. Just make it into a bit of a bowl. Something like that. Some of the other one. Just got a bit of greaseproof paper. Hopefully about that size. I'll chuck that on there. Chuck that on top of that. If that ever works. Just going to flatten it down with something. Bottom of a bowl. Hopefully. Yeah. That'd be alright, wouldn't it? Smaller burger. I'm just going to chuck that one in the pan with the bacon. Do the same for this one. Something like that. Get rid of that. And then here's my burger cooking. And there's the other burger. So 2 burgers out of 1 burger. Still got 3 burgers, 2 in there, 1 there for tomorrow. Because tomorrow is another day. I will just remove some of this water from these onions. Water removed. Put them in the pan. Let them do their thing. Hopefully you can hear me. Hopefully it's recording. Yep. Just going to butter the roll with a bit of Kerrygold. Hopefully. Is it a roll? Sort of. Thanks to everyone who's liked and subscribed if you got this far. Thanks again, everybody. Thank you. Go. Get that away. That's it. Mushrooms are doing their thing. The bacon a bit of a turn. Not overly cooked. Oh, look at that. Come on, Mr. Burger. Here we go. Chuck that into a corner. I'm going to get some of this cheese out. Have some cheese on there. Bit of cheese on there. Never seem to have enough cheese. Let's just get a couple of eggs in there. There's one. In fact, I might just have one. Just going to have 1 egg. So burger's cooking lovely. Bacon's cooked. The onions are doing all right. Doing all right. No mushrooms in this meal today. That cheese. Oh. Oh yeah, that's nice, doesn't it? Maybe think will just perform for me. Just gonna flip it. Oh, no, it didn't even burst. Lucky me. For now. Right, so I think I'm about there. Just turn that off. Right, so burger's about done. It's a bit of bacon. See if I can get the egg out. Oh, look at that. Let's have some of that cheesy, burgery. Oh, look, the eggs. Oh, the egg's gone, isn't it? That'd be alright. I'll mop that up. And there's the other burger. Just some onions to go on top. Might be a messy burger. It's not an AI burger, is it? That'd be alright. I don't mind. There we go. From one burger to two. From one burger to two. Bacon. Beef burger. Egg. Bit of runny stuff down there. Cheese. Onion. Lovely. So, never judge a burger by its cover. Looks a bit messy, but you know, it's all in there. Eggs in there, that egg's still on the side of it. And if I can pick it up. Yeah. I could do with either smaller bites or a bigger mouth. Probably should take smaller bites, but you know. Probably. So, it's nice and moist. And didn't need any sauce at all, never bothered. Oh. It's got enough flavour already. Wow. So back a few months ago when I first started cooking, really, I didn't really like eggs, but eggs in a burger, wow, what a difference. The flavour. Have a go, people. And if you like the video, give us a like, subscribe, and see you later all. Delicious that is. Right, enjoy your day, people. I'll catch you tomorrow. Bye bye.